Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I am showing you how I slick my hair down when I do my ponytails. First things first, I'm parting my hair down the middle. You can see I have some sort of oil in my edges just because I like to oil them after I take my wigs off. I just took a wig off before I started recording this, and I'm parting it down the middle, not super straight. It really doesn't bother me if the part isn't exactly straight because I only wear this hairstyle for a day or so. And then I'm sectioning off the other side. The first thing I use is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La cream just for some hydration, nothing too serious. And then I use the Do Grow Triple Strength, which is the purple one. I am making sure to run it all the way through to the ends of my hair just so I can seal in that moisture I just put in it. And these products are not reverting my hair back to curly, even though I just straightened it a few days ago. And I am starting to just brush those products through. Now this edge control I use, I actually really hate this edge control. I was doing a product test sample for someone and it just turns white, which is why I'm using this bottle of oil to combat the whiteness. When it dries, it'll dry clear instead of white now that I use that. And I'm using the Got to Be Glued Free Spray just to hold everything in place. And the oil does help it not feel crunchy and gross because of the free spray, because you guys know it's so strong. And I pull it up into this ponytail. It's not that tight at all. You're gonna see I pull my ponytail tighter. I don't like to put them in too tight just because my hair, I don't want it pulling as I sleep, because I do sleep with my hair slicked down like this. This is actually the night before I went out. And you can see I have an oil stain on my shirt from oiling my hair so often. But I just put my hair up in the ponytail and then I pull it a bit tighter so it's not super loose. And make sure to comb those products through. And I'm doing the same thing to the other side. And guys, as I am doing the step with the oil, I'm an idiot and I realized that I didn't pick up my bottle of oil. I picked up my bottle of alcohol. Look, that is my oil. I picked up the bottle of alcohol that I use to take off my wigs. So that side is gonna be like dry and gross and disgusting. I really didn't even notice until I started editing. I was like, what the hell did I do? So I'm just putting it up in a ponytail, and hopefully in the morning when I take my hair out, it's not super gross and white and flaky, but I highly doubt it just because this edge control is terrible and I put straight up alcohol in my hair. So now that my hair is up in the two ponytails, I just throw a do-rag on. I don't want to put it just in my bonnet because the bonnet's gonna slide around and then mess up all this slick niceness we just put down. So I put on my do-rag first and then I put on my bonnet and then we go to sleep. And this is the final product. You can see some of the whiteness from that horrible edge control and the fact that I sprayed straight up alcohol in my hair, but this is a full 24 hours later and it's still nice and slick. And honestly, I don't even think I have to touch it up. I can just put my do-rag and my bonnet back on and be fine for the next day. So this is how I keep my hair super slick for my ponytails. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.